This card looks ordinary, but watch what happens on hover. The corner inverts perfectly. No clip path hacks, no SVG tricks. This is the new corner shape CSS property, and it's going to change how you design interfaces. Today, I'll show you exactly how it works, from basic shapes to advanced techniques like this interactive reaction card. Let's dive in. Traditional CSS corners work with border radius. You set a value, corners get rounded. Simple, but limited. The new corner shape property changes the actual geometry of corners. We have 5 main values: round scoop, bevel notch, squircle, plus the super-ellipse function for precise control. Let's see each value in action. Scoop creates that inverted effect, perfect for notification badges or reaction bubbles. Bevel cuts at 45 degrees. Push border radius to 50% and you get a perfect diamond. Notch makes sharp geometric cutouts for modern, edgy designs. Squircle gives you that smooth, premium look Apple uses everywhere. The pattern is simple. Corner shape controls the geometry, border radius controls the size. Let's build this sale tag. I want it pointy on the right, rounded on the left. 4 values, 1 property. Top left, top right, bottom left. By mixing corner shape values with custom border radius per corner, we create this professional price tag effect. Now for the impressive part, this reaction card with the inverted corner. The scoop value creates that perfect cutout. Add the reaction emoji using before. Position it using CSS Anchor Positioning. The corner shape property opens new creative possibilities from subtle squircles to bold geometric designs. Start experimenting with it today. What will you build with corner shape? Drop your ideas in the comments. If you want to learn more modern CSS features, check out my tutorial on CSS Anchor Positioning, linked in the description. And I'll see you in the next one.